Now this is A Square Maths Made Easy Academy. Now we want to observe another waec question, but this one is theoretical aspects. Now the question says, if square root of x squared plus 1 is equal to 5/4, now find the positive value of what? X. WAEC, West African Examination Council, 202003, question number what? 3. Now the first thing you are going to do is to introduce what? Solution. Now this is square root. What do? You square both sides. I will now say squaring both sides. I have square root of x squared plus 1. Then all was squared. Then to the right also is 5/4. Then all was squared. The essence of squaring both sides is to remove the square root of the left hand side. Now this square root, now we cancel this power. I'm left with x squared plus what? 1. Then equal to 5 squared will give you 25, right? All over 4 squared will give you what? 16. What is the next target? Make x squared subject of the formula. Then this plus 1 will move to the right. Then remaining x squared then equal to, I will now say 25 all over 16, then minus 1. Are you there? Now what I'm going to do, don't waste time taking the LCM. Just cross 16 times 1, which will give you 16. So the numerator will now have 25 minus 16 divided by the denominator, which is 16. Then can we now say x squared should now be equal to 25 minus 16 will give you 9, then all over what? 16. Make x subject of the formula. Take the square root of the right hand side. Also take the square root of the left hand side to the left hand side and that of the right hand side. Then this square root will cancel power 2. I have made x subject of the formula. X is now equal to plus or what? Minus. What is the square root of 9? 3. All over what is square root of 16, which is what? 4. Are you there? Now we are looking for the positive value of x. So which means we ignore the negative. So finally the value of x is 3/4. Now that is the answer. WAEC 2003, question number 3. See you in my next video. Thank you.